Today, we talk about... Hey, what's up, y'all? Been excited about this one for a minute. I don't know if you guys remember the previous video I did on Ambush, but if you haven't, go check her out. Get it? Because the designer of Ambush is female. All right. Okay. Also, it's way too hot for this, so this is coming out now. Retail gang. Nice. Woo. Wow. All right, first things first. Cool new bars. You get the standard Nike black design up top with the glossy. Where is the size tag? Boom, boom. Air Max 180 high. I've been talking about 180s a while on this channel, am I right? Size 11, of course. Hopefully they fit, since they are not your typical Air Max 180. And this being from the Ambush collaboration by Yoon. So let's get it. Boom, boom, like this. So right off the top, you get the Ambush lovely logo. Love the simplicity. Boom. Wow. Bruh. Lord have mercy, I thought hurricane season was over. I mean, look at this. Whoops. Yeah, definitely made the right choice with the whites. I know this also came in the black, which if you guys recall from my Ambush Hypebeast history video, I discussed the tracksuits, both the white and the black version. I definitely prefer the black tracksuit to the white, but as far as the shoes go, I had to go with the white because this contrast of the swoosh bops way harder on these than it does on the black pair. And I don't know, something just didn't seem too right about the black pair. So this, of course, as I discussed in that previous video, Yoon took the inspiration from her favorite childhood shoe, which is the Air Max 180. And for the top, she took inspiration from Gary Payton's Supersonic days. Granted, she also grew up in Seattle, so I wonder if that played a role. Back when Gary Payton was playing for the Supersonics, and his Nike shoes had the glove, the shroud over it with the zipper. So bring this down, and then what do we got? So obviously fully exposes the sock liner here. Let me take this out so we can see what's going on as Batman fights Gotham crime out there. Sorry about that, folks. Boom. All right, so what have we got in there? We've got the Ambush logo, but first let me pull out the stuffy. And we back up. Boom. All right, so there you go, the Ambush logo right there. Focus on that for you. Boom, boom, with the Nike swoosh. Bop. Cool detail design of this. I like this, actually. The heel tab is an extension of literally this same material, it looks like. Let's compare them. Yeah, that's going to be a... Yeah. All right, so there's that. You get the Ambush logo again there. And yeah, hopefully this fits. But wow, this has a lot of ventilation, clearly. This is... Oh, wow, this is like not even... This is barely a 180 base. It's not like a 180 base with a shroud. It's literally like almost like a high heel for women, if you will. Granted, I don't know jack-ish about high heels, but it's like literally just like the skeleton of a shoe of the 180 with clearly the midsole and base. That's all intact, which by the way, I love this clearage. That's super cool. And then coupled that with obviously some heel support there, but then on the inside is literally nothing. So I am kind of glad I went with the size 11. I feel like a half size up would be too much, but let's try them on feet. Let's see. What are those? Hey, yo, yeah, guys, definitely true to size. I mean, look at this. It's like barely any support in there. It's just wibble wobble. This is nothing. This is just shroud. This is cloth. This is not shoe. It's like you're just sitting on the sole of the 180 and relying on this shroud as just very flimsy protection. So definitely no playing basketball in these. Not that you should be in a regular Air Max 180 anyway, but see that with, I wonder if this is 3M at all to match with the pants, as I showed off last time, but I'll show you what this looks like on feet with a few steps here. Okay, whoops. Try to get that all in frame, boom, boom, boom. And then let me show y'all what it looks like with the shroud down. This, yeah, man, I'm telling you, man, the white resale should go up higher over time than the black, although surprisingly, I guess they semi-flooded the market with these, slash didn't really over-promote these. That's what it looks like with the shroud down, which, I'll be honest with you, I don't feel a difference support-wise. Really purely an aesthetic difference. Some may prefer this look actually, which I can see, especially with the contour and the contrast of these lines. You know, I can see this being a little swaggerific, if you will, with them down, or just one down, one up. Let's try that. Let's see what happens. Boom. Hey-o. Boom. So yeah, there you go. Let's try it with the 3M. What are those? Okay, no 3M, but you can see the 3M at play with the tracksuit. Boom, boom. Adds just a little extra character. Yeah, overall, not the bad. Cool. What are those? Hey, there you go, guys. Full fit. I am burning up in these, so you're welcome. But yeah, this is it. This is it right here. I'll show you without the 3M right quick. This is what regular folk are gonna see from you in the middle of the day. But yeah, man, this is super cool. Definitely happy with the whites. Definitely makes me more tolerable of the white tracksuit as opposed to just the black. And actually, I can't say for certain that this is gonna go well with the black tracksuit, but the nice thing about the black tracksuit is you got a ton of sneaker options that would make the black tracksuit pop just as hard. So not too displeased with this. I will take it, but I am burning up. So shame I had to come at this time of the year. I would have loved to have this as a winter fit, but hey, there's always next year. Woo, bruh, this is a reversible metallic side. I'm telling you, Yoon, if you make a 2.0 of this jacket, tracksuit-ish, we gotta talk about this metallic-ish. I mean, it looks pretty and all, but yeah, I am sweating through this layer hard, especially in this weather. What it is. Yeah, so Yoon, you did the damn thing on these. Love these. Really proud of you. Superb product, very comfortable. Obviously, it's an Air Max 180 base, so you can't really mess that up. And this is a very unique redesign. I got to tell you, there's nothing like this. This is next level-ish, and the details on this upper are pretty nice. With that said, let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, let's keep it moving. We out. Peace.